y'all, it's your girl Kina, Sweet Gem Life here. As you can see, pretty big things happening on this desk. Today, we are going to be doing the unboxing of the winter FabFitFun box. I'm really excited. This is my first one. And I have not opened this yet. I've slit open the tape so that I don't have to struggle with it on camera. But I'm really excited to see what's in this box. If you're interested, you'd like to see what's in it, maybe snag yourself a membership before the winter box is sold out, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I had to take that big old box off the desk. It was just too much. So all of this stuff was stacked at the very top. It comes with the winter 2020. I'm assuming this is a magazine / guide. We've got Miss Katie Couric on the front, okay? And once you flip to the second or third page, it shows you what's in the box. So the value of these boxes are usually, they're supposed to be $200+. Now, normally the FabFitFun box subscription is $49.95. I'll have a coupon code down here for you if you're interested in picking up your first one for a little bit cheaper. Save your coin. And what I'll do is I'll sit this over here to the side as I'm unboxing so that we can go over. I can, point out what I actually have in my box. So, the process of purchasing the box or ordering the box, you get to choose certain things based on what's available. For example, it says here, all members get to pick from customizations 1 through 3. So we have 1, 2, and 3 down here. And then it says select members get to pick from customizations 4 and 5, which are on the next page, 4, 5, and 6. And then FabFitFun's pick is when we surprise you with 3 options we think you'll love. So I did pick a few things, the Robe and some other things. So let's just go through because I can't remember that's how long ago it was ordered. And then there are just a few other articles, how the fight against cancer is changing, healthcare heroes, because they are the shiznit. We've got some accessories, some brighten your smile, the typical things you'd find in this magazine. Winter drinks, that looks really good. I think I'm gonna try that. And then we've got some skincare 101, tips and tricks from the founders. And then there's the article about Katie Couric. And then back here, we have a self-care checklist. That's pretty cool. And there's a quick little guide of how they curated this box. So this is pretty awesome as to find out how the box was curated. So, okay, I'm doing too much talking. And ooh girl, get out of here. You don't need nothing else. Okay, so let's go ahead through this stuff. We've got a sticker here, add a little sparkle to your shine, save some money off your first FabFitFun box. We've got bright sellers, which I have been thinking about signing up for them. I'm gonna try it. I love wine, why not? We've got HBO Max, which I will not be paying for. HelloFresh, which I just recently subscribed to, and it's awesome. Oh, and then we have some Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Stars blemish patches. So there are supposed to be 40 patches in here. Pretty cool. Okay, let's go. Let's do that last. Okay. First item up, we have Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox by Vor. So let's get back in here. And find it here. So this was item number 4. It says Vor Hair Care Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox. Natural butters, oils, and botanicals work to restore scalp health. Let me put this up here. To restore scalp health while infusing locks with vital nutrients. And this is, the retail price of this is $28 for this tube. Y'all are paying for this. Okay, let's see. It smells pretty good. I think I'll try it out. Because who doesn't need more Moisture, Rhythm of the Rain. All right, so that's the first item. Oh, wow. So I did order the Robe. I couldn't remember. I'm pretty sure I did. But we did get this Summer and Rose Robe. Let me go back. So this is item number 1. All right. Let's bust this open. Bust it open. Bust it. Okay. Oh. And apparently I ordered it in plus size. I don't recall. Oh, y'all, this is so soft. Ooh. It's got a hood. It's really heavy. It did not feel like that in the packaging. And it's really soft. It's got pockets on the front. Another pocket on the front. All right, and it's 100% polyester. So it says up here, cuddle up in this fuzzy robe, which features front pockets. And the retail value of this robe, $70. Yes, yes, honey. She will be cozying up tonight. Yes, ma'am. Oh, and there's the tie, the sash. It was somewhere. All right, we like it. We like it. So, ow. The next item we have is this Daily Concepts Daily Facial Brush. It's a It's a dry brush for radiant looking skin. Let's find this here. It is item 7. So it says Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. Use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. And the retail value of this brush is $20. Let's get it open. I'd like to see what $20 gets me. Or would get me. Oh Lord, don't tear it up. I tore it up. Fix it, Lord. Okay. So we've got our dry brush. It's not hard, which is always a concern of mine because who wants a hard brush scrubbing their face? So here's the brush, Daily Concepts dry brush. And it does say at the top, texture is gentle. Next item up are these Botanic Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gel Patches. Interesting. So there are 4 individually wrapped masks in here. Let's find it. It is a number 5 item. And it says, place these hyaluronic acid infused eye gels on the under eye area to reduce any puffiness. And the retail value, $25. Pretty cool. You guys know I'm all about face masks, eye masks, patches, everything. So I really can't wait to use these. Oh, this looks like makeup. Yes, yes. We have the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow palette. Yes, I'm glad I got this. So this is a 3B item, and it says achieve warm daytime and smoky nighttime looks with 12 crease-proof shadows. Okay, what am I gonna say? Bust it open, let me see it. Ooh. Yes, this is all me. Y'all know I'm all for the neutrals, especially on eye makeup. This is really pretty. Yes, we've got some shimmers down here, some mattes. I love this. This is a palette for me. Cinnamon Spice, it's correctly named. It's properly named. So that is the Laura Geller eyeshadow palette. Next item in the box, we have this Kind Thins bar. It's got dark chocolate nuts and sea salt, 90 calories. This is what my son would call a snacky snack. I know how silly that sounds, but you guys have been home. You know the kids are asking for snacks every 3 minutes. but he has to have a snacky snack. So there's that. Let's see. I don't think, maybe they just tossed this one in because I don't see it on the list of what's in the box. So it's a freebie. I'm sure someone will get around to eating it before I even remember I have it. So it's a Kind Thins. It's dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. Ooh, it does look pretty good. So I'll have to stash this so I can actually eat it myself. Oh, we've got this Phase Zero Making Moves blusher. I don't remember seeing this one. Let's see. Oh, there it is. It's a number 8 item. It says a silky smooth formula blends seamlessly onto the skin for a gorgeous flush of color. And the retail value is $27.50. That's pretty sleek packaging. And that's a really nice blush shade. We're gonna have to try that out, see if that works for us. I don't really use a lot of blush, I'll be honest. I am a bronzer, highlighter, get on with life, contour kind of gal. So we will definitely be trying out the blush. Last but not least, I think I know what this is. Ooh. Oh, yes, I got the mugs. Oh, y'all, this is so exciting. So I just recently ordered some tea from my girl, the Crystalina Perspective. Her and her girlfriend run a tea shop. Baby, if you don't know, you need to know quickly because, y'all, this is so gorgeous. This is beautiful. These are Lily Pulitzer tea or coffee mugs, whatever you'd like to drink out of them, or other things. That's your business. Okay, these are Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs, and it says serve tea or coffee in these stylish ceramic mugs. Baby, with mugs like this, you have to serve tea, okay? And there's a foil in there. I believe it's gold. I'm trying to catch it, the light. It's definitely gold. And have the, oh my God, y'all, these are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Baby, this is my good china. These are gorgeous, y'all. The retail value of these 2 mugs is $42. Let me move this over here so y'all can truly see this. These are gorgeous, beautiful mugs. Okay, just look at it. All right, so y'all, these are all the items that I received in the winter 2020 FabFitFun box. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you did enjoy it, please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications when I post new videos. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.